You're my Marnie Moose. And Hannah, she needs to be loved. She deserves it. Don't we all? You, me. We deserve to be loved. I deserve to be loved! I just want to be loved. What?
Laying in the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs, any signs I'm alive still. And I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can break the broken, unsay these broken words, find the hope in the hopeless, pull me out of the train wreck, burn the ashes, unchain the reactions now, not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out of the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. Underneath our bed blood, we still got a sanctum. Home, still at home, still at home, yeah. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance that I would take those odds. I'll break the broken, unsay these broken words, find hope in the hopeless, pull me out of the train wreck, I'll burn the ashes, unchain the reactions now, not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out of the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't say I wouldn't die for it. And I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my help, be my God, be a Savior who can break the broken, unsay these reckless words, pull me out of the train wreck, burn the ashes, no. Pull me out of the train wreck, pull me out, 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 pull me out.